So many kalesa. I'm surprised to see it. Many kalesa with passengers, mostly foreigners at this time. Foreigners like here in Intramuros, Manila because it's a beautiful old place. You can see the Philippine history which started during Spanish time, long time ago. So foreigners go here and they feel good riding a kalesa. Kalesa is like a car during Spanish time because no car yet, so they use this a horse for riding. Another kalesa.
Sakay po kayo kalesa, ma'am, sir.
This is the kalesa parking area. I hope it will pass by here again. The mini kalesa that we video earlier. It's so fast. They suddenly appear. But just imagine almost 10 kalesa with their passengers. They passes by very fast. So I get my video to video it. But it's too late. They're gone very fast. Anyway, I reserve few minutes maybe they will come back. They are just touring somewhere here in Intramuros, rotating the area because it's very beautiful here. The tourists riding the Calesa enjoys it a lot here. It brings back time during Spanish time. Yes. Anyway, there's no chance you can see it again. The mini Calesa. Thank you for watching, guys.